if it starts with an R or a theta. If it's rectangular, if it starts with an X or a Y. Okay, yeah, sorry. Hi guys, for the people that's recording, I forgot to start the recording. Okay, here we're at. How do you want to start?
Write down the equation.
Okay, so we got tan theta equals y over x, and we have r squared equals x squared plus y squared. And then some that are like the obvious, the sine and the cosine, which I'll write for the people in the videos. So sine of theta in our unit circle is y over 1. The y is our radius, so it's also y over r. Cosine of theta equals x over r. We just talked about that, so I went fast. Okay. Which equation has theta in it? Of our top two. Perfect, let's plug it in. So we got tan theta is 2 pi thirds, which equals y over x. So theta's 2 pi thirds, just plugging it in. Yeah. You do or don't? Okay. I'm giving you the fact that theta equals 2 pi thirds. I'm going to use this equation, yeah, and plug it in for it. So what is tan at 2 pi thirds? Yep, negative root 3 equals y divided by x.
You just find out on the unit circle?
Yeah. You can also do it in a calculator if you want, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if it gives you it in a radical form. Tangent of 2 pi thirds. Yep. Yep. Dolan, what do you want to do next? Yep. I would put it in a form to the point where you can graph it at that point. So y equals negative rad 3 times x. That is it. Okay. Do you want to do another one or switch forms?
How come not 10 to solve for y, but it's 10 to 40? What do you solve?
So, let me find it. You have to be able to graph it. Are you able to graph that at that point?
Me? No.
No. You can graph it at that point because we can do completing the square and get our center and our radius. Do you want to graph this?
I can graph a point. I don't know how to graph the equation.
Okay. Grab polar coordinates.
You can see this. I don't know how you got the points out of the equation. More of what I'm confused on. I understand how you do that.
You aren't going to have to graph it.
Oh, okay.
You should know how to do completing the square. And we can do a refresher on that more after school because this is a geometry topic. Yes. Okay. Should we graph this circle? Yep. Okay. Center was at 0 plus 2. So it's going to be a little funky. But 1, 2, 0, 2. We're graphing this on a polar right now, so it's a little weird. Okay. Our radius is how much? 2. 2. Okay. So I'm going to go out 2 in every direction. So there's a 2 there. There's a 2 there. Now, this is weird because we're graphing this on a polar graph. But we go up 2. So pretend this is now y and this is x. So we're going to go up about 1, going up about 2. Going 1, 2. And then we just connect them and it's a circle. This would be better on an x and y axis.
So an equation makes a circle and a point is a line.
Equation, say it again.
When you graph an equation, you're going to get a circle?
In most of these cases, yes. You're either going to get a circle equation, which you could solve for and get the center and the radius, or you're going to get a y equals negative square root of x. Because can you graph that?
I don't know how.
So it's kind of in y equals mx plus b form. So it's a linear equation. So we're starting at the origin, and we're going to go technically rise over 1, down, rad 3, and over 1. I'm going to keep doing that over and over again. Rise, yeah, down, go over 1, down, go over 1. So it's going to be linear in that direction. Yeah. You have a calculator. It's going to help you. Graphing it. Yep. Okay. But we're not graphing it. We're just solving for the equations. Yep. Into a form where we could graph it. Okay. Which one do you want to do next? What form? For what form? Or are we done and we don't like these anymore? Sure. Okay. Do we want to watch the NYO? Or do you want to play bus driver? I didn't play bus. I forget I don't teach you guys. Yeah. Yeah.
Depends what's going on in my out.
Okay. I'm trying to shrink it. Um. Let's refresh the page. Maybe that will help.
There's like not many people that watch.
116, that's it? We should pause this.